Okay, grade 8. So we're doing lesson 3, two-way tables, okay? So how do we make two-way tables? Very important information. You need a survey. That means you're researching about a topic. Like if I want to open an ice cream shop near Morejib School, I will do a survey about flavors of ice cream so that I know what ice creams I can sell so that I can make money, okay? Or if I want to open a coffee shop, what kind of coffee do my customers like? So I have to survey the people who live around my shop or the people who come to the shopping plaza and will be visiting my store. So I have to ask them questions so that I know in this store I will be selling this and this and this because my customers like that. So today I created a survey, and my survey is about ice cream because I want to open an ice cream shop near a school. So assume I want to open an ice cream shop at Morejib, okay? So I have decided to interview 440 students. I think this is a good amount to tell me what information I need to have in my store so that I can sell and get and make money, okay? So I've created a survey. I'm gonna make 440 of these. I have to make because I am going to give out to 440 students, okay? So this paper, I will make 440 of them. So I will make like this on the computer, copy paste 440 times and print, okay? Now, on my survey, it has to be very clear. This person has to be able to read clearly. Don't put pictures, just words, okay? You can put them in English and in Arabic because we live in an Arabic society. So can put the words in English or in both English and Arabic, okay? So, and when I'm surveying, I need to give all from kindergarten all the way to grade 12. So I'm going to select how many I'm going to give, okay? So, and I write my instructions very clearly because when you give the survey, you cannot talk to the person you're surveying. They need to be able to take the paper and do it by themselves because you cannot control the results. You cannot say, don't choose the, no. Once you give the survey, they do by themselves, they fold, they put it in a container. So here is my survey. I'm going to survey about vanilla, strawberry. Neither means you don't like. You don't like vanilla and strawberry. And if they like both, okay? And I've told them they only choose one, so they can check the box. Only one box, okay? Now, if somebody's box is not checked clearly, or if they wrote strawberry and they didn't erase and they wrote vanilla, I will definitely put on, if they check vanilla and strawberry together, I will put on both, okay? Like that. If it is not clear what they chose, you will put on neither, okay? All right. So now you have collected your survey. What are you going to do with it? So that survey is what we are going to present in a two-way table. So you've collected your data from your survey. You need to arrange your data in a paragraph. So in this information, you will write here vanilla, and you write here strawberry, you write neither, you write both. And then you start counting with tally marks like this. You take one paper, you look like that. You make tally marks like this, okay? Then from this story, from these tally marks, so actually, yes. So step 1 will have been from your survey, you create a tally table. So a tally table, you list your items and you make mark. Because you take a paper, you look, you put a mark. You take a paper, you look, you put a mark like this until you finish all of them, okay? And then you write your story from your tally mark in a paragraph. Then from a paragraph, you make a table. So either you can come from tally table to another table, or tally table to a paragraph, or paragraph to a table, like that. But you must use these. And then you'll create a Venn diagram, and then you make a two-way table. Very important things you must do. You must make sure you read carefully. If you don't, you will make mistakes. Make sure you label your table, your Venn diagram, your paragraphs must be labeled carefully and correctly. Make sure the information that is on your table or on your survey is realistic. Very realistic. That means it is not difficult to understand, or the numbers are not way too big that they don't make sense. Okay? The information you create has to make sense. Now, from my survey, I surveyed, and this is the information I found. I surveyed 440 students. I found that 115 of them like vanilla, 45 of them like strawberry, 250 of them like both. Now, I need to make sure that these three numbers make 440. So I am going to add them. So 115 plus 45 plus, 115 plus 45 plus 250. So I got 410. These three numbers here gave me 410. I am missing 30 students. So these 30 students, how do I know? I will do 440 minus 410. It gives me 30. These 30 students, they don't like, so this will be neither. Neither. They don't like, neither means they don't like vanilla or strawberry. So maybe they like chocolate, maybe they like mint, maybe they like bubble gum, like that. They don't like vanilla, and they also don't like strawberry. Okay? All right. So now I have all my numbers. You should always have vanilla only, strawberry only. So these ones, 115 of them like only vanilla. 45 like strawberry only. 250 like both vanilla and strawberry. And then 30 don't like vanilla and they don't like strawberry. So this I got after I checked my paper from the survey. Okay? Then from there, I'm going to write my table. Okay? Vanilla only, 115. Strawberry only, 45. Both, 250. Neither, 30. If I add these four numbers, I should get the total of 440 from my survey. If I don't get 440, that means I did something wrong with my calculations. Okay? All right. Now, I have my information from the table. Now, I am going to create a Venn diagram. My Venn diagram is made of circles and a rectangle over them. This rectangle is important. You must draw it. You label. You see how I labeled my table? My table tells me I got this information from a survey of favorite ice cream. I wrote the ice cream flavors and the number of students. You see, my work is labeled clearly. So whoever gets my paper will understand what I am doing without talking to me. Now, we will do here. Favorite ice cream. I get my black pen. Favorite ice cream survey. You must put your total over here. The total has to go here. If you don't put it here, it will be wrong. Now, this, you label your circle. The whole of this circle is vanilla. The whole of this circle is strawberry. This part here in the middle is what? Is those who like both. So those who like both, 250. Those who like vanilla only, 115. Those who like strawberry only, 45. Those who do not like, those who are in neither, those that don't want vanilla and they don't want strawberry, the neither, you must write them outside the circle, but inside the rectangle. Okay? You must. And this is a complete, so if I add these 4 numbers, I should get 440. That is how you fill your table. Strawberry only. You see, I have labeled inside here so that you don't forget. Both vanilla and strawberry. Vanilla only. This is V only. S only. And then the whole circle is for vanilla. And then this whole circle is for strawberry. Now we need to do our two-way table. Okay? For us to do the two-way table, you need to fill out. So over here, you will write vanilla, no vanilla. Then you will write strawberry, and you will write no strawberry. So strawberry, no strawberry. Vanilla, no vanilla. Here you will write total. You must have total. Okay, now let's fill out our numbers. In this box, it means those who like vanilla and strawberry. That means those who like both. No vanilla means strawberry only. Because you want strawberry, but you don't want vanilla. This means strawberry only. This means no strawberry. That means you want vanilla. This means vanilla only. And then this total over here is the one that should be the total for everything, which is 440. Now let's put our numbers. I don't have another color. I'll use my pencil. Both vanilla and strawberry is 250. I will put here 250. No vanilla means strawberry only, 45. Vanilla only, 115. Okay? No, this means neither. This means no vanilla, no strawberry. So that means neither. That means 30. And then you just add your numbers. 250, this is 5, this is 6, this is 365. This is 5, this is 7. 365 plus 75. So let's do 365 plus 365 plus, I can't see. Okay. Okay. 365 plus 75. Plus 75. That gives us 440, which we have over here. Now we need to do this way. 250 plus 45, 295. 115 plus 30, 145. And then I add 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 9, that 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 4, 14, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 440. And there I have filled my two-way table. You must write these things so then you don't make this mistake. You see my little labels in red? Write them. This way it will help you to think. Okay? Now, once you have filled your two-way table, that's it. This is all you need to do for two-way table. The question says, this is the information. Please use it. Please use it to fill the two-way table. All these numbers, if you add this way, if you add these two, they should give you for 40. If you add these two, they should give you for 40. If they don't, you did something wrong over here. You did something wrong in these four numbers. That means you did this wrong. That means you did this wrong. That means you read something wrong here. That means when you are collecting this, there was something wrong. You didn't collect it correctly. So you see, one small mistake means you need to start all over from the beginning. So you have to be very serious when you are reading. Okay. Now, so you filled your two-way table. Now you're going to do your frequency table. So from the two-way table helps you to do the relative frequency table. You label, just like you label everything I say in math. Vanilla, no vanilla. Total. And then, what do you have here? Strawberry. And you label over here, no strawberry. No strawberry. And then you label here total. Okay? Then you put your numbers. Now, here you divide. You see what I've just done? Each flavor you divide by 4. You need the whole number. You need the fraction. You need the decimal. And you need the percent. Percent. Whole number, fraction, decimal, percent. Whole number, fraction, decimal, percent. Whole number, fraction, decimal, percent. Okay? Now, this percent will always be 100. Always. It will be 100%. You have to put the percent mark. This decimal will always be 1. Will always be 1. We know that the whole number is 440. 440. Because I surveyed 440 students. My fraction will be 440 out of 440. Okay? Alright, we come here from my table. Alright, we look. What is the whole number for both? 250. Okay. What is the whole number for vanilla? No vanilla, 45. What is the whole number for the total of vanilla and no vanilla? 295. What is the whole number here? 115. My whole number here is 365. My whole number here is 75 because here is 30. And my whole number here is 145.